Swheswhe Headband. Choose your desired colored Swheswhe fabric for your headband. Cut out your pattern from the paper or via trace. Pin the pattern to the fabric on a fold and cut 2 pieces of fabric from each pattern. You need 2 pieces of each pattern. The 2 back pieces will form the back of your headband and the 2 front pieces will form the front of your headband. Cut a 20 cm long piece of elastic. Take the 2 back pieces and lay them down right sides together and pin together. Use the edge of your straight stitch foot and guide the edge of your fabric to stitch both sides of the band. Use a middle needle position. Make sure both long edges are stitched with a straight stitch. Turn the tube right side out using a safety pin or any other preferred method. It is a good idea to iron the back of the headband. Be sure that the seams are rolled out well. Once the tube is turned right side out, use a safety pin to push the elastic through the tube. Pin the elastic to both ends of the tube to ensure it does not pull out. Sew the elastic ends in place to keep them from moving when attaching the front of the headband. It is now time to attach the front of the headband. Attach the ends of the headband front to the ends of the headband back with the elastic. Attach the opposite side of the front of the headband. Only pin 3 sides of the headband, making sure the right sides of the fabric are together. Use a straight stitch to sew the 3 sides of the headband. Your headband should now resemble this. Pin the first half of the 4th side. Use a straight stitch to sew the 4th side of the headband front. Pin the second half of the fourth side of the headband. Make sure to leave an opening to turn the headband right side out. Stitch the final side. Cut the corners of the headband to remove some of the bulk when turning the headband right side out. Use the opening to turn your headband right side out. Once the headband has been turned right side out, it is time to close the opening and finish the headband. Roll out the seams and pin the seams to keep it in place for sewing. Use either a straight or decorative stitch to top stitch all around the front part of the headband. Your headband is now complete. Thank you for watching.